I'm gonna take a little break, not too long of a break, from cosplay makeup, and now it's involving anime. But today I just wanted to talk about my top 3 favorite animes. And I wrote it here because I've never done a script before. I'm starting itching my nose. It's really hot in here and it doesn't help I'm wearing a wig. Number 3 is One Piece. One Piece is about pirates. It takes place in the world of pirates. Let me see if I can look it up on Siri. One Piece is a Japanese manga series written and illustrated by Ichiro Oda. It has been serialized in Shonisha's Weekly Shonen Jump magazine since July 22nd, 1997. It has been collected in 8 Tankobon volumes. The story follows the adventures of Luffy, a boy whose body gains the properties of rubber after unintentionally eating a devil fruit, with his crew of pirates named the Straw Hats. Luffy explores the Grand Line in search of the world's ultimate treasure known as One Piece in order to become the Pirate King. What's ironic is that, okay, there's a reason I don't watch a lot of animes, and it's because they're usually pretty upsetting, and I'm very, very sensitive. But this, and One Piece was one of those animes. But then I started watching it with my dad recently, we're up to season 5. And I started enjoying One Piece, actually, even more than I did the first time I started watching it, literally the day after my birthday. And this is the anime my friend Rachel recommended to me. She's like, watch One Piece, it is so good. And I'm really happy that she got me into this anime. Even when I go to her house, I try to show her more anime, but that's a different story. Where she always makes me watch One Piece with her. And like, I can't really choose a favorite character. Here's something I noticed. Even when I was a kid, like watching Disney, I would sometimes have grudges on characters, like, now I hate Peter Pan syndrome. Snow White, that's a long story. But when I watch One Piece, it's really hard to hate any of these characters, except Nami. That's a different video. I don't like Nami, I think she's a bitch. The characters are even so likable that I even have trouble choosing a favorite. First it was Nami, then in season 1, then it shifted to Chopper, and then it almost shifted to Robin. I also like Brooke. I haven't gotten up to that part because I'm on season 9, haven't watched it yet. My 3 favorite characters are Chopper, Robin, and Brooke. But before we get to number 2, I'm not cosplaying anyone. I'm just wearing a wig that I think looks very anime on me. Number 2, my favorite anime currently, Slayers. And I've been reading the book right here recently. If you haven't seen Slayers, that was my phone. I'm not really surprised because it's a pretty old anime. It's a 90s anime. Like, this was before One Piece. And I'm a really big fan of it. If you go on my Instagram or DeviantArt, you know that I cosplayed Pagoda from that anime, from Slayers Revolution and Evolution R. I think I'll get to that. Slayers follows the adventures of teenage sorceress Lena Inverse and her companions as they journey through the world. So basically, it's a action, adventure, comedy kind of anime, and it's really funny. I'm always laughing at the jokes. That's all I can say about it. I love it. And again, I started reading the book recently. I recommend the book. There are some downsides that it's in Lena's perspective, but at least I can read a few lines like Lena because she is one of my favorite characters from that anime. And I hope to someday make a cosplay of her in the future, and subscribe if you want to see a video on how I'm going to make the Lena costume, because I will get to that in the future. I was 12 years old when I first watched this anime. I came across it by, the Zelda-themed parody song, and it was in a YouTube video with, it was in a YouTube video with clips of Slayers with the Zelda parody song. And I'm like, you know, this looks really interesting. I'm gonna check it out. And so I went on YouTube, and it was just really funny. I loved it so much. And Lena is one of the characters I've been looking up to since I was 12. And my parents say I'm just like her because I showed my parents that anime recently, but that's another story. If I'm saying that a lot, I'm sorry. And I saw all 3 seasons on YouTube, and that was the time when YouTube wasn't so brutal with copyright. Like, I really want to make an anime channel, but I can't because my videos will get taken down if there's the slightest bit of footage in them. So that's why if I edit this video, there might be pictures, like, on the screen. What makes me sad is that there's not a lot of people who know about this anime. I recommend it to everyone I know. The jokes always get a laugh out of me. And doing this because so you don't see my double chin. I made my Lena earrings just yesterday. They're in that bowl over there with rocks. It's a long story how I could explain how that's a good metaphor with my obsession with Slayers. You'll have to watch the anime to understand that. And my number 1 anime that fascinated the hell out of me, Full Metal Alchemist. It's about 2 brothers who are obsessed with alchemy. Obsessed is the wrong word to use. And they try to bring back their dead mother with human transmutation. Their names are Edward and Alphonse. Alphonse is my favorite, by the way. Ed loses his arm and leg, and Alphonse loses his entire body, and it's stuck to a suit of armor. Kind of like The Legend of Zelda Spirit Tracks. Did I mention I'm a Zelda fan? And they're on a journey to make themselves whole again. I really love the concept of alchemy and storing souls into bodies, which I swear Slayer's Revolution and Evolution are ripped off from that anime. And if I've been saying, I have so many careers I want to follow. I want to be a voice actress and an animator, and if I became an animator like Rebecca Sugar, if you don't know who she is, she's the creator of Steven Universe, I would highly influence my show with Full Metal Alchemist because I really love it. And I'm really grateful that they made a live-action movie. That's gonna sound nuts because I hear that anime movies get a bad reputation, but I thought I really liked the movie. It was very, very faithful. And I made a movie review on my thoughts of Full Metal Alchemist, and in the future, I hope to plan to make a video about the movie on explaining why it doesn't suck, and that I can tell that the staff really did try their hardest to put effort into it. It was just a low-budget movie. I shouldn't go into that because I'll try and make another video about it. Hopefully I'll get away with using clips and footage without any copyright strikes. Never gotten a copyright strike before, but my video just gets taken down if there's any copyright in it. So I can't make an anime channel if I wanted to. And that is it. So tell me what, I don't get any comments. I often, not often, I don't get comments, but if you want to comment on this video I keep saying the wrong thing. Comment down below if you're going to. I doubt you will, but comment about what your favorite anime is. And please share your thoughts with me. I really want to hear your thoughts about the anime. And I'll see you next time with a cosplay. Change my motto around that time. And bye!